I'm ready whenever you guys get set.
Copy that, sir. Stepping up counter all the way. All the way. Take your pulse to the judge.
Libby Dalton Hoke.
All right, sir. Give me one moment. All right. The state is alleging one charge of disorderly conduct against you under the domestic violence statute. That is a misdemeanor allegation that you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for an arraignment on the 7th of January at 9 a.m. The arraignment is where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to that charge. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceedings. All of those options, as well as the penalty range for that charge, will be explained to you prior to you giving your plea, so you'll be well informed. Your release conditions are the following: obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately of any address change, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not contact the alleged victim in any manner, and the residence that you reside there with the alleged victim.
Yeah, we lived together.
Okay.
We were both a couple at one time, and we just recently separated and split.
Are you renting it or do you own it?
We rent together.
Rent together. Both are on the lease.
Yes, sir.
All right. What I'm going to do is a short time prohibit you from going there for a short time. You are allowed to go there to collect some personal belongings and some things, and then when you're able to return, I'll discuss that with you here in a moment. So I'm going to order you not to return to the location of the alleged offense except with law enforcement to collect some personal belongings. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription. You are able to return to the residence on December 23rd. Okay, so roughly a 2-week period. I am also ordering you to report to pretrial services. So what that is when you're released from custody, which is what my intentions are, is for you to call the probation department. You're not on probation, but you are on release conditions. They're going to monitor you and these release conditions to make sure you're abiding by them, and they're going to request for you to report to them. You need to follow their guidelines. Any failure to do any of these release conditions or any of their requirements on pretrial services could result in your release being revoked and you taken back into custody. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'll be providing you the name and phone number to who to contact. They're expecting your call when you're released from custody. With your promise to abide by those release conditions and to appear in court as ordered, which do I have your promise?
Yes, sir.
All right, then we will release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, that's all I got for you then.
Thank you.
All right, all the sergeants, sir.
And I'll send it to you, Mr. French.
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks.